Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the era of tech. The topic of the day has three sections. The section one is element of automation system. The second one is types of PLC, and another one is the parts of PLC. The element of automation system. The automation system has power supply, has Programmable Logic Controller. It means also has the control element or control system, has HMI, and has inputs and even what output, and also the communication protocols. In the PLC types, we will see the types. We see the fixed PLC and the modular PLC. We are going to go through them. And we are going to go through the parts of PLC, like CPU, input and output modules, power supply. Yes. Let's start with the elements of automation system. The first element is the power supply. The purpose of power supply is to supply the electrical energy to the entire automation system. Types of that power supply: AC, which is alternating current, and and DC, which is direct current, used for powering PLCs, HMI, sensors, actuators, and other components. The second part is PLC. The purpose of PLC, is the brain of the automation system. Its function is to execute control logic programmed by engineers to automate machinery or processes. It has the features. It has the input and output modules, which can be digital or analog. Can be digital input or digital output, analog input or analog output. According to the input devices or output devices. Another feature is real-time control, rugged and reliable for industrial environment. Yes. Another part is another element is HMI. HMI is human machine interface. Is the interface between operators and the automation system. It displays data from the PLC and allows operators to monitor and control processes. Example of HMI is touch screen. And the graphical user interface GUI. Element 4, the input element. Inputs feed the real world data to the PLC. For example, digital inputs like switches, push buttons, sensors are digital inputs because it turns either on or off, high or low. Yes, it means it is digital inputs. Switches, push buttons, and sensors. There are also the analog inputs like temperature sensor, pressure transducers. The reason for calling them the analog, it means are gradually. It is not on or off. No, it is gradually increase or decrease. It is continuous. It provides the continuous signals. The element 5 outputs. Outputs allow PLC to control physical devices. The types of outputs, for example, digital outputs, relays, lights, and solenoids. And the analog outputs, motor drivers, and the control valves are the examples of analog outputs. Element 5, communication protocol. Facilitate data exchange between automation devices. It facilitates data exchange between automation devices or electric automation system devices. The common protocols are Modbus, TCP/IP, Internet-based, faster, and used in modern systems. There is also Modbus RTU. RTU means remote terminal unity. This is serial communication like RS, BRD 232, RS, BRD 485, and also this is older but still widely used. Other communication protocols are Profinet, Ethernet, IP, CAN, Open are also the communication protocols. Types of PLCs. We are going to the types of PLC. The first one is fixed or compact PLC. By the description, all components like CPU, input and output modules, power supply are built into a single unit, which means this cannot be expanded. You use it how it is. It means it has the advantages of being cost effective for small application and easy to install, but has the limitation or disadvantage, has the limited input and output capacity, and it cannot be expanded. It means expandability is low or zero. The next is modular PLC. Is the next type of the PLC. Modular PLC, those components like CPU input and output and even power supply are separate modules that can be added or replaced individually. So this can be the advantage: too highly expandable and easy to maintain and upgrade. You can expand it according, for example, to the tasks to perform, and also it is easy to maintain and upgrade the system. This is the best for medium to large and complex automation systems. Let's go to the parts of PLC. Parts of PLC. The first is the CPU, which is the central processing unit. Central processing unit has the components: processor, EEPROM or ROM, RAM, and the firmware are the components of CPU. Processor execute control program logic. ROM and EEPROM stores permanent programs and firmware. RAM stores temporary data during operation. Firmware system software controlling is a system software controlling PLC operations. The function of the CPU is to control all functions, process input data, and execute logic and send command to the output. Okay, the next part is input and output modules. Input module receives the signal from sensors and switches. receives signals from sensors and switch. It means it receives the signals from the input devices. The input modules can be digital or analog. It means can be digital. As you know, digital turns on or off, and then the analog, it is gradual, it is continuous signal. The output modules sends control signal to actuators, relays, and motors. Not only that, also to the lamps. Yes. Also, the output mode can be digital and analog. So to ensure, you have to check for the written data on the PLC. You can find I, which represent input, and the O, which means output. I means input, O means output. If it is like analog input, it is AI, written AI. If it is like digital input, it is DI. If it is digital output, it is DO. So it is very understandable. Every device has the marking, so you have to read the marking to ensure the terminals when you are going to connect. The next part of PLC, it is power supply. Provide the necessary operating voltage to the PLC system. Power supply provide the necessary operating voltage to the PLC system. I think it is that. It is that. Thanks for watching. For better, if you have a comment, you have to comment, no problem. If you are interested, share to your colleagues, your friends. If you have an advice, you have to come inbox and advise me. Okay, I'm yours. Try to consult me, try to advise me, try to share my videos and your videos. Try to enjoy this video. Is yours, is mine. So thanks for watching, thanks for your time. So keep watching to the next videos. I'm still here with you. See you next time.